Top of the morning to
Good morning.
Hello Arif.
Hello.
How yours? How you doing? It's what day is it today? Wednesday. We're just getting ready for our the Hive show on Thursday. Arif has just managed, amongst all the other work he's been doing recently, just managed to squeeze in the last bit of work on dragon. God, look at those eyes. They're just awesome, aren't they? We'll tell you all about that later in the blog when the whole project is finished. But this is he's getting right to the very end of the project. And Arif, fire away. Go for it. Show us what you've been doing. You've got 20 seconds. And his assistant is Julia. Cool beans. Let's go. It's just an awesome piece of work. Finally. It's breathing fire. Wonderful. We're off.